Hello traders, welcome to Multyfi. We are SEBI-registered stock advisor. We help you to make smart trading decisions by telling you what to buy, and when to exit. Let's quickly walk you through how Multyfi web app work. When you landed on the website, you will see two options. First is register, second is login. If you are coming first time on the website, you click on the register button, fill your name, number and email address, and click on the accept terms and condition button and click on the sign up. And if you are already registered member of a Multyfi, you can just click on the login button, put the details of your phone number and just click on the login button. So if I'm coming first time on the Multyfi, what I have to do is basically I have to put my name, my number and my email address. I have to click on the agree terms and condition button, sign up for Multyfi. After that, OTP comes into my phone and I have to click on the continue button, and here we go. So here we landed on the Multyfi dashboard. As a free user, here what you can access. First is historical metrics. The first section shows historical accuracy of our recommendations. You will find four segments. First is equity trades, future trades, option trades and commodity trades. This will help you to verify past performance of our trading research calls. Right, we have a three option. First is 1 month, then 3 month and till date today. In this current month, how much is our accuracy is. If we click on the third month, or let's say 3 month, it will shows on the past 3 months of our accuracy and results. And if we click on the till date button, it will shows that till date today, how much trade that we have given, what is the winning rate of our trades, what is the losing rate of our trades and total accuracy is. So in this case, we have total trade given is 106, winner is 93, losing trade is 13. So our total accuracy is 87.74%. After that, the second section is live equity trades. If you are not a premium subscriber, you will not have access to this feature. To view live trades, you need to subscribe as a pro user of Multyfi. Then if we go down, it shows a historical equity trades. Here you can browse all the past trade recommended by the Multyfi. Please note, these trades are not live, they are for learning and analysis only. Right. So if you are not a premium member, you will only get an access of historical trades or past trades. You will get historical trades of equity, futures, options and commodities. If you have any sort of queries, doubts about trades, or if you have any questions about our services, you can directly message us on the WhatsApp. At the top, there is a notification icon. This is where you'll receive all updates related to trades about the different segments. So if we click on the notification icon, there is a equity notifications, futures notifications, options notifications, and the commodity notifications. After that, if you see, there is a profile button. So on the profile button, you will find your name, your email address, your subscription start date, your subscription end date if you are a premium member. Now, if you are bored with the historical trades and you want to get live trades and real-time insights, you have to click on the subscribe button first. Then you will see the plans. You want to select any plans that you want. Let's say you have selected the quarterly plans, you have to click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, here is the amount that you have to pay. You have to write down your name, your mobile number and your email address. Just click on the terms and condition agree button and click on the pay. After that, you have many options. You want to pay by card, pay by UPI, or you just want to scan the barcode and pay. Once you've done the payment, you'll be upgraded and your dashboard will change. You will see the live equity trades alert are now activated. As a premium member, you will receive a real-time trade notifications, entry price, a target price, and the stop loss price at the real time, timely updates, and the better decision-making tools. Your profile section will also show your plan start date and your plan end date. If you have any other queries, you can reach out to support@multyfi.com or you can WhatsApp at 8400-520059. That's it. We hope this guide helped you to understand Multyfi web app better. Still have questions? We are here to help you. Email us on at support@multyfi.com or call at 8400-520059. Thank you for choosing us. Thank you for choosing Multyfi, your trusted partner in smart stock trading.